Hello, my name is Leonie Powers, owner of Modern Herbal Apothecary, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a cold infusion. All right, step one, choosing your tea. Now, when it comes to cold brews or cold infusions, it's important for you to use the right blend of tea. Not only do I always recommend that your teas should be organic, well-sourced, ethically wildcrafted whenever possible, because you want to make sure that your tea is not only good for your body, but good for the environment. However, when doing a cold brew application, you also have to consider the type of herbs and their properties that are inside of the blend. Cold brews brew really well with herbs that have like delicate essential or volatile oils and herbs that have mucilaginous applications or properties. Something like marshmallow root. Roses have delicate oils, spearmint have delicate oils, and those are all inside of this particular blend that we're going to cold brew today. This is our pregnancy blend. It's tasty even if you're not pregnant, but especially helpful and beneficial if you are. We're going to use our ratio, which is going to be 1 tablespoon to 1 cup of water. And since we're going to be making a quart, that means we're going to be using 4 tablespoons. Our step 2 is to scarify our herbs. It's a word that not a lot of people have heard, but it simply means to break down the cell walls, either by grinding it up with your fingers, or today we're going to use a grinder. Just going to scoop out 4 tablespoons. Make sure we get some roses in there. Now, the importance of scarifying your herbs is to make it easier for all of the chemical components that are inside of the herbs to be extracted out into your menstruum, which in this particular case is your water. So now we're just gonna grind it up. And remember, if you don't have a grinder, you can just use your fingers to bust up like the little rosebuds. Now that you've scarified your herbs, it's time to do your infusion. You have some options here. You can place it inside of a paper tea bag, a reusable muslin or cheesecloth bag, or you can place it directly into your good old mason jar. Or you can use one of these tumblers, which I find are really great, especially if you're traveling. They come with a little basket inside. You pop it open, place in your scarified tea, drop it in, and close it up, and let it infuse overnight. I love these, especially if you're traveling. We have these at the shop, and the link will be down below. Some of the pros of the tea bag is that this one you can use over and over. It's a little bit less cleanup. Pros of having it directly into the jar is that it's more surface area of the herb being hit by the water. Today we're just gonna pour it directly into the mason jar. Your herbs are already scarified and inside of your jar. You're gonna take your water, now, anytime you're going to use a metal lid like we are today, you want to make sure you create a barrier. I like to use parchment paper. You'll tap it. The parchment paper will help keep your metal lid from corroding. Give it a couple shakes, and you'll let it sit and steep overnight. In the morning, you'll just strain and enjoy your tea.